Hey guys, welcome to Gallup Gardens. Just because it's fall does not mean that you're done in the garden. Not in the least. We just harvested all of our green tomatoes. So we got a little salsa verde coming either in last week's video or coming up. And check this out. Mildred, stop. No dog fights today. The neighbor's pit bull just got out. Millie. So anyway, got all these tomato greens. They're going to go in to stage one. We're going to flip some leaves over, get that all wet, get it going real nice. This is our hot compost going on right now. It's about 120 degrees. And then we've got our finished compost back here, and it's sitting right at 60 degrees, so it's looking good. But anyway, we're going to throw our tomato waste into stage one. We're going to flip our leaves over onto it. We're going to get it nice and wet, heat it up, and ready to go. So stay with us. Alright guys, pretty easy. You just get it nice and moist. Wet the whole thing down. You want to mix your browns and your greens. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. I do mine about half and half, you know. I haven't really had any problems. There we go. It's too easy. We don't want all these tomato vines to go waste. Uh-oh. Still a few good ones in there. There we go. And even in the cold, this stuff, it'll heat up. It'll get 140 degrees easy. Real easy. So I cut bays through here, and this is why I did it. All right. Stage one is fired up, ready to go. And it's that easy, guys. I'll come out here in a day or two. I'll stick the thermometer in it. It'll be heating right up, 120, 130 degrees. Well, guys, fall composting is pretty easy. Layer of leaves, layer of tomato vines, layer of leaves, layer of tomato vines, and I got a layer of dead or dying morning glories. And I got to get this thing pretty hot to kill those morning glory seeds. So I'll be definitely adding more greens and a lot more browns and a lot more moisture over the next couple of weeks. Get this thing heating up really hot. Keep it at 140, see if I can get it to 160 once or twice. And it'll be good. It'll be good stuff. So stay tuned, see what we do. And check out, next week's video, see how the salsa verde comes out and, all that fun stuff. All right. Please give us a sub if you could. We'd really appreciate it.